He's coming back.
Dance like machinery. We have to grab somebody. We are dance like machinery. We have to grab somebody. We are dance like machinery. We have to grab somebody. We are dance like machinery. We have to grab somebody. You know say I know feel it. Time you dey go and say you don't delete. I go like make me and you dey relate. What is the baby? Me go conjugate, yeah. Baby, jọ̀wọ́ jẹ́ ká jọ máa gbádùn. Aya tó mọ ya yìí ló ṣe kẹ́.
But then, as the matter be right now, a lot of people want to get to know Dice well. So I need to know your IG. I need to know your Twitter as it heard.
Okay, so for IG, if you want to follow me for no be if you want to follow me for DICE_AILES. That's Dice Ales. Twitter DICEAILES. Facebook DICE_AILES.
Okay, everything are the same thing. Okay, that one makes sense. Are you okay? Snapchat, that one a normal thing. Of course, you say you did for instance IG at Dice_Ales. Then Twitter Dice
Ales. No underscore for the Twitter.
Okay, Dice Ales, like that. Now I want to know one thing. Why do they call you Mr. Miyagi?
Mr. Miyagi. So you get one time where they rap. You know, they compose lyrics. I can't talk same. Mr. Miyagi to start with. Now one guy for Karate Kid.
Okay. Yeah, now I teach the karate. Wait, now the Mr. Miyagi teach the Karate Kid.
Yes.
I know the guy, I'm a guy.
Okay, so I write this rap. I can't talk say I get fly kicks.
Okay. Now for rap.
Yeah, for rap.
Okay, wait.
I get fly kicks.
I done dirty.
So since then the name can't stick.
For where for stick? Not for label, not now from where you they grow up. Now that Mr. Miyagi stick, I mean now for inside when you start to sing.
Not for inside when I start to sing.
You say something about rap. That means say you throw some rhymes. You mean say you be rapper?
Yeah, they rap and I sing.
So you which one you think say you go put as your strength? Because that Odun Day just like that song there. The blessing we will change that song to normal so we the plan because that song there for Christmas and so the thing you gotta push me, I gotta die, I gotta understand because all the songs will come out during the Christmas time because now me actually don't initiate for Nigerian musicians and say okay, we are so bunny and blah blah blah. Make una begin the push come, all the Major Mile, all the 2 Day Odd Not, everybody begin the push Christmas songs come out. But then again, the thing called follow suit. We say last year a lot of people bring Christmas song come out, but the way your own thing come out the group just enter. I don't know, you go fit do something of the same issue will not be Christmas, or you just want to dedicate that one to Christmas alone. Because
another style of this jam.
That same jam or do that jam now die. Come on, I mean they tell you come up on
why not? Telephone is on the same level now.
Telephone,
I like
yeah, but this particular one, the guy they put some kind of more crayfish inside this one.
Yeah, I get another jam. They drop soon this same time.
I just want to threaten them now. You got another jam with
threaten though.
Threaten them because we got to know. Well, now Chuck City boy himself, Of course, now Dice Ales right there, Dice Ales, anyone you want call them. All join for the matter.
Baby, jọ̀wọ́ jẹ́ ká jọ máa gbádùn. Aya tó mọ ya yìí ló ṣe jẹ́ ọkọ rẹ̀. Olómi olójọ̀wọ́ jẹ́ ká jọ máa gbádùn. Aya tó mọ ya yìí ló ṣe jẹ́ ọkọ rẹ̀. Telephone, put your number inside my telephone. I fit die in a minute, I am prone. If you decide to leave me on my own I say I only telephone. Put your number inside my